What's up, guys? The NJ Pyro is here, formerly known as Pyro Lincoln Coil. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Color Blast TNT brand. That was the price. I got this some time ago. I've had this in my possession for quite some time, probably in the beginning of 2019 or sooner. But I did see these in the stores again recently, and they are the same items in here. So hopefully none of these fall out. Alright, we'll just, as usual, start at the top here. And we got some flashing fountains, 8 pieces. Jade flowers. Miss Glitter. Gold Dust. Resolution. Tripping Daisies. Rose Blossom. Pyro Fan. Mr. Crackle. Sparkling Glory. And last, Color Shock. Let's get this out of the way. So this was the Color Blast by TNT. Small assortment, $20. There you go. And thanks for watching.